start with small. Don't dribble with your palms. Pag na-feel nyo na, pwede na kayo mag-hard. So mga ka-hype natin dyan si Boy Lil Flash, and today, turo ko sa inyo kung ano yung drills of the day natin. So pwede nyo to gamitin sa inyo guys 3 times and 40 seconds per drill. Okay? So combination to. So una muna, we dribble between stationary. Mostly stationary warm-ups muna tayo. Okay? Make sure tama yung form nyo. The next one is ball protect, single V cross. Saka hard dribble din tayo. Tapos bounce low high tayo. Okay? Low. Tip of your fingers and then high. Normal dribble. Dalawang beses. Tip, high. Other side. Tip,